What is up, my incredible, amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another super sick detail of a Kia Telluride. It is going to be super sick. We're only going to do the interior, but I still think it's going to be a gem. This is definitely a kid hauler, and kid haulers are always fun to detail. So we'll start on the mats, no personal items in the vehicle, and that's it. Random thought, just because I can't stop thinking about it. I think ghost towns are sick. Let's use the Tornador because the back of this seat carpet, or all back of seat carpet, is awful. Sometimes that I regret not filming absolutely everything. I pulled back the rear seat pocket on that passenger seat, the passenger seat. There was some, I don't know, goldfish in there, and so I just hit it with the Tornador. It was hilarious. This stuff went absolutely everywhere, and I giggled really loud. I wish I would have filmed it. Darn me for not filming it. The vacuuming and Tornador, the dust removal was super duper sick. There was some dust. I'm not gonna say there was a ton of dust on there, but a fair amount. Now we're going to extract. It's gonna be pretty lame. Those vinyl mats, those rubber mats are really big. So there's only a couple spots I'm gonna film, but should be pretty cool. Told you, carpets weren't gonna be that bad. Leather is in pretty good shape. Those kids' seats there in the back they're a little bit beat up, but not horrible. I think the cleaning method, I don't think I'll need to use steam on them. Just this P&S Express Interior Detailer should clean them up right nice. But while I get the steam cleaner ready, I want you to just know that ghost towns are cool because life in the Old West, obviously I'm in the Old West, or the New West. What was the Old West? Life in the Old West was tough. Spartacus and I went down to a town in like South Central Utah-ish. It was, it was super cool. Bunch of old buildings. There was a mine shaft that I'm pretty sure went all the way down to Lucifer's front door, and it was pretty cool. It was sick to explore. We'll start with leather here on the front seat because I want to. The leather cleaning was, oh, so beautiful. I really like these seats. I think they are cool. That X-Drive or whatever that's embossed. I think it says X-Drive. Rookie, it says X-Line. The X-Line that's just embedded into the seat. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's clean plastic.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
I would, of course, like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for bringing me the Telluride to let me detail the interior. It was so much fun. Hope you liked the video. And of course, I hope you love the results of the detail.
If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in
My dearest friends, I really appreciate you watching. It makes my heart full. I'll see you next week. I got nothing else. Bye.